Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on Chrome Mobile. So to start, open Chrome app, then go to the three dots at the bottom right, then click Settings. And from here, you need to scroll down and look for Privacy and Security and tap on it. Now from here, at the top, you'll see Delete Browsing Data. Open it. Then here, choose the time range.
Welcome back to Jew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
So you can choose last hour, 24 hours, last 15 minutes, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Then at the bottom, click on it. And from here, make sure you select cookies, site data, cache images and files, and also browsing history. Now click on confirm at the top right, then click delete data at the bottom, and that's it. So that's how you can clear cache on Chrome app. So again, a quick recap. So just click the three dots at the bottom right, click settings, then scroll down to privacy and security and open it. Then click delete browsing data. Choose a time frame and then choose cache images and files and cooking site data and browsing history and confirm the action. And thank you for watching.